Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the 5 legit money making apps for Android and iOS phone that pays. The five best legit money making apps for Android and iOS that pays you real money. So if you are new to my channel, I welcome you here. My name is Abraham. Please subscribe to my channel now and hit the bell icon to get notified on more videos on making money online. So let's get started. So the first app on my list, the first money making app on my list is Survey Junkie. The first legit money making app on my list is Survey Junkie, as you are seeing on the screen. Survey Junkie. In Survey Junkie, you earn money by taking surveys. So as you can see here, you earn money from Survey Junkie by taking surveys. So to download the app now, just go to Play Store and search for Survey Junkie and install it and start making money. And if you are also using iPhones, just go to Apple Store and search for Survey Junkie, download it and start making real money. You can, from this app, you get paid into your PayPal account, you get that direct transfer to, and they offer various payment methods when you want to cash out your earnings. So the second on my list is Inbox Dollars. This is their official website. You see, earn cash online. In Inbox Dollar, you make money by watching videos, taking surveys, shopping, and cash offers. And for new users, you get $5 free sign up bonus. You sign up now, you get $5 free. You get $5 free sign up bonus. So in Inbox Dollar, you earn money watching videos just for free, taking survey for free, and shopping and cash offers. So this is the second legit money making app on my list, Inbox Dollars. So you want to download it now, just go to Play Store, search for Inbox Dollars, download and install, and start making real money. And if you're also using iPhone, go to Apple Store, search for Inbox Dollars, download and install, and start making real money. So the third on my list is Swagbucks. The third legit money making app on my list is Swagbucks, which is this Swagbucks. This is their official website. Okay, you see, get free gift card and cash for the everyday things you do online. You can see here is how you earn points, shop online, watching entertaining videos, set the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. You see, you get free gift card. You redeem your points for gift card for your favorite retailer like Amazon and Walmart, or you get your cash back from PayPal. You can see from Swagbucks, you earn money in different ways. You earn money watching video, you earn money shopping online, searching the web, answering surveys. And how do you get paid from Swagbucks? You get paid by redeeming your points for gift card, or you get cash back from PayPal. You can see Swagbucks have paid their members over $617 million. You can see they have paid their members $617 million, and this is some of their users review. You can see. So Swagbucks is the best, is the one of the best legit money making apps that you can earn real money from, for everyone using Android and iOS phones. So Swagbucks is also a legit money making app you can make real money from. So the fourth legit money making app on my list is Mobile Expression, which I'm going to show you now. You see, Mobile Expression. Okay, so this app is also one of the legit money making apps on my list. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, in this app also you earn money taking surveys, just very similar to Swagbox. You earn money taking surveys, you earn money watching videos online, just you earn money doing free things, doing what you do daily on your mobile phone is what you are going to be earning money from in mobile expression too. And they also pay by redeeming your money to gift card and also get cashback on PayPal. So this is the fourth legit app on my money making app on my list. So you want to download this app now, go right now to Play Store, search for mobile expression, download and install, and start making real money. And we're also using iOS phones, so just go to Apple Store, search for mobile expression, download and install, and start making real lot of money. So the last, which is not the least on my list, is my points.com. My points app, because you earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. Join now for free and get a $10 welcome bonus. You can see you get a $10 welcome bonus for joining my points. So you join for free, and you will also be given a $10 sign up bonus. Wow, this is very interesting. You can see you earn money shopping online. You get cashback shopping online. You download your favorite whatever you want to download online, and in my point you'll be given cashback. You'll be given free money by shopping at your favorite stores. So if you want to download this app, just go right now to Play Store, search for my point, download the app, and start making a lot of money. So if we're also using iOS phones, just go right now to Apple Store, search for my point, download the app, install, and start making real money. Wow. So these legit money making apps I've listed above are a good starting point. So if you want to know more ways to make money, just subscribe to my channel now and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. So, and if you have tried these 5 legit apps I've mentioned, just leave a comment, just comment down below on your review using these apps. So just drop comment. And if you also have any app you want me to make video on, any app that you know are legit and are paying real, so just drop them in the comments down below. I'm gonna reply them and definitely make a video on it. So thank you for watching my videos. Don't leave this video without liking it, without supporting me by smashing the like button. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.